Hello everybody, my name is Nikitin. I'm the Head of Studies and Director of SOFA School of Film Advancement. SOFA trains cultural entrepreneurs and cultural managers which work within the audiovisual field and want to develop new and innovative projects in their country of origin. We are not looking for film projects to develop, but we are looking for film infrastructural measurements to develop, which are of course nowadays especially online-based tools like a VOD platform, like an online connection tool, maybe an online film festival. Needless to say that especially right now the demand for SOFA projects and our participants are huge, as the reality as we knew it in the audiovisual sector is changing, and it's up to our participants to come up with great and innovative ideas and structures how to connect European content to the viewers all over Europe and around the world. It's the first time ever since the beginning of SOFA that we are not having physical on-location workshop. We're doing the whole week of SOFA online, using the newest technology out there to bring together our participants and all the experts. I think we managed to get the best out of the situation, because for us it was important not to postpone, because the projects are on a very high demand right now and we wanted to develop them. And we tried, let's say, to adapt as much as possible to this new brave digital world by starting out, for example, with an e-dinner where really everybody had the information to get to know each other, to connect to each other and to spend some time together online, which of course is a different experience, but it's better than no experience. Don't sit on the couch, be with us and take part in the next SOFA edition.